This video will show you how to install the LEDVANCE Residential Phase EV 48 amp electric vehicle charger. Open the charger box and take time to carefully read the installation guide. First, a licensed electrician will need to install a dedicated junction box and a 60 amp 2-pole 208 to 240 volt circuit breaker in the electrical panel. Use 6-gauge copper wiring to connect the main power breaker to the junction box. The location of the junction box must be close to where the charger will be mounted. The charger needs to be located 24 to 48 inches above grade and close enough to the junction box to attach the 28-inch hardwire input cable. Also, ensure there is sufficient Wi-Fi signal strength at the location so the charger will work with the Wi-Fi application. Before proceeding, disconnect power. In the box, locate the mounting plate, the charging handle holster, and the bag of assorted hardware. Mark the location for the mounting bracket. It is recommended to place at least one screw into a stud. Use the included anchors for the remaining holes and the included screws to secure the mounting bracket. Now it is time to install the charger. Remove the protective cover from the end of the input cable. Place the charger on the bracket and install the 2 thumb screws to secure the charger to the bracket. Remove the shrink wrap. Take the cover off the junction box or local disconnect box to connect to the Phase EV charger wiring. Remove the knockout. A strain relief connector will need to be installed in the box as shown to allow for entry of the charger input cable. Insert the input cable into the junction box and make the electrical connections for line 1, line 2, and ground. Ensure all connections are firm and the strain relief is properly tightened. Replace the junction box cover. Mark the location for the holster and secure the holster to the wall by using the 2 supplied screws and anchors. Hang the charging cable on the holster, then remove the protective cap and insert the charging handle into the holster. Turn power back on. The charger will beep and the status LED will illuminate blue. The charger is now ready to be used as a simple plug-and charge unit that will begin a charging session once connected to an electrical vehicle charging port. Alternatively, use the QR code on top of the charger for a convenient link to download the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi app that can then be used to control and monitor the Phase EV charger. Register a new account and log in to add the Phase EV charger to the app. Once connected to the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi app, you can manage how the charger operates, such as setting up delayed charging, charging on a schedule, charging by kilowatt hours, monitoring charging history, or prevent unauthorized access to your charging station. Look at the installation guide or download the user manual for step-by-step instructions on how to use the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi app. For charging NACS-equipped vehicles, you will need an adapter to connect the Phase EV J1772 connector to the NACS format. Vehicles that use the NACS input connector usually come with the adapter to allow them to charge with common J1772 charge equipment. If need be, J1772 to NACS adapters are commonly available via online retailers. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the LEDVANCE Residential Phase EV 48 amp electric vehicle charger.